Hi, I'm going to introduce to you the Google Sketchup program. This program was used throughout our whole PDD1 to design our shelter at West Coast Park. After experience, we found out that the program was simple to use and there's many online tutorials to learn from. Additionally, we are able to present the project in 3D form, a plus factor for us. In the video, I'm going to teach you how to build the basic shelter look from scratch. Next, I'm going to introduce to you the basic functions. There's a rectangular tool, circle, triangle, arc, pencil, push and pull, and the paint bucket. These are basic functions that you need to use in this program. Next, we're going to draw the base of the shelter using the rectangular tool. Push and pull button to raise the rectangular. And we're going to draw the pillar of the shelter. Radius is about 0.25 with a height of 1 meter. And we use the push and pull button to raise the height. Next, we're going to use the offset button to draw the column of the shelter. It will be about 2 meters high and a radius of 0.1. Next, we're going to copy and paste 4 same size pillars to illustrate the shelter. I'm going to use the push and pull button to reduce the excess base of the shelter. Next, use the rectangular tool to draw the roof of the shelter. Start by drawing it on the ground. Use the push and pull button to raise the height. Next, use the arc rule to draw the curved shape of the shelter. The first arc is to draw the top part of the shelter. Next arc is to draw the bottom part of the shelter. Next, use the push and pull button to reduce the excess blocks to make it look curved. Okay, there we have the simple look of a shelter roof. So use the select button to place the shelter roof onto the pillars of the shelter we have drawn earlier. There we have a basic look of a shelter. Next, we use the push and pull button to reduce the excess shelter roof and to extend the base of the shelter. Next, you can draw a bench or 2 benches to allow the users to sit. Use the push and pull button to raise the level. You can actually use the paint bucket to add materials onto the roof, the base, and everything. There's many materials to choose from concrete, base, metal, and brick base that we can use too. It's a very useful tool to illustrate the real life look of the shelter. So after removing the excess block, we have a basic look of a shelter.